Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So I just wanted to do this video just to give you an update on baked beans in terms of where I'm at. So yes, 19.6 billion, but so today is my eat day. So after eating a little bit and putting some of it back into the contract, I should be at 20 billion beans. And that's a really great achievement, guys. So if you're new to the video, Big Beans Miner is a smart contract where you can deposit BNB to purchase what are called miners. It's called beans, but these are miners. And in return, you get up to 8% per day. So typically it fluctuates. So it's not every day that you be getting 8%, but typically it's between 4% to 8% every day is what I've noticed for the past couple of days. Okay, so that's pretty much how you invest into the platform. You invest with BNB, which is the third most populous coin aside from Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's how you invest. I have videos on how to get started if you're looking to get started in this. And you can just follow along to set up like your MetaMask wallet and connect over to the baked beans. All right, so today let's go ahead and we're going to eat today, and I will put some of it back into the contract. Um, so let me click on eat beans. So I've got about 63 in there right now, and I'll show you what the value of that is in a second. So let me click on confirm. And while I'm waiting for that to finish, let's see here. Okay, so it says pending. Okay, the one I just wait for that to finish here. So there's a 3% dev fee that gets charged, just like a little tax, but it's just it gets put back into the contract. So what is that? 63 BNB to USD. That was a total of about 25 K, 0.874. All right, so if I go back over here, I'll probably just keep 10. So I'll drop, let me see, 10, I'll drop about 51 back in there, 51 BNB. So I'm just gonna go over here like that and I'll click 51 and I'll click on baked beans. So you can see, guys, I do, as a whale here, I do put, BNB back into the contract because I want it to sustain and be, just be able to run for a long time, just like everybody here. All right, so I'm going to click on baked beans here and then I'll click on confirm. There we go. So we'll drop that much back in here and we should be able to see it complete in a second here. It says pending. Almost done. There we go. Perfect. So we'll drop back in and boom, 21 billion beans. 21 billion beans, guys. That's incredible. So Big Beans Miner, the contract is right here. So if you ever want to take a look at the contract balance, you can click it here. The devs are super honest and everything. So we see about 14.5 million is in the contract and it's growing every day. Some days it may not grow as much as the previous day, so that's why like some days like our rewards may be like 4% or something like that. But other days when it's just growing steadily, we get a good chunk of it up to, closer to that 8% mark. So that's I guess that's the only kind of thing with baked beans is that like the devs are super honest. I've been in other smart contracts where the devs are so shady and rug pulled and stuff like that, but with baked beans the developers are really honest, so there will not be any rug pull in this particular platform. I mean, the only thing here is just to keep this contract just going strong, to keep it growing and everything. That's the only thing with baked beans. But if we're all doing our part, it's going to, that's the way, that's how we ensure longevity. If the whales are, putting some back in, if people that are, baking are doing the 6 to 1 where they're rebaking 6 days and eating 1 day. If we can all do our part, guys, we're gonna keep this thing running for a long time. So it's up to all of us. So yeah, that's awesome, man. Big Beans is still paying out. You can see here, it's still making making me a lot of profit here, 21 billion beans. So I just want to give you an update of that so that you can see it in action. And if you haven't checked out some of the other platforms I'm in, COTP is still paying really well. So I'll do a COTP update video as well. And Metafy is the new platform that I'm in, Metafy Yielders, and that's paying really well. It's doing 3.3% every single day for basically, 5 days a week, 3.3%. And, if you take the 3.3% value in 30 business days, you basically double your money. So that's the other one that I'm in. So you can check that out on my channel, and I'll put it as an end screen on the video. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video, short update. Thanks for watching, and as always, God bless.